Hello, everyone. My name is Dylan Reno. I'm the product manager here at GitLab for distribution, and today I'm going to be talking about our 15.10 release. Here is our scheduling issue for the quarter. So milestones 15.9, 10, and 11. In this case, we'll be talking about 15.10, and you can see we have the exact same core epics that we're going to kind of be working on for this milestone and the next one. So I just included it here. And if we scroll down here, you can see the issues that I'll be talking about in this video underneath this heading. So what we're going to be working on is the same work that we were doing last one, like I mentioned, contributor experience, long-term build efficiency, and we'll continue to burn down bugs and work on any of our core responsibilities, such as updating software dependencies. A couple things I want to call out that might be new from previous videos. We do have a long comment here from DJ and some discussion from Hossein with basically a breakdown of build efficiency work and contributor experience work that are going to be highly impactful. And this is kind of the pool that we're pulling from when we move forward. And Hossein has basically described some improvements here for CNG. So moving on, let's jump into the first couple of things here that I want to talk about. Another thing that I want to mention is there are two specific epics for Q1. So we've got a Q1. So the efficiency epic and the contributor experience epic are very long, but we've broken it out into Q1 efficiency work and Q1 contributor work. So I'll pull up those epics in a second. But diving into our distribution deliverables board, you can kind of see how it breaks out by epic that we plan to work on this quarter. So you can see at the top, we've got obviously our bug burn down, but then we get to our efficiency improvements, which you can see we're going to work towards 4 issues there. We've got 5 issues in contributor experience and actually another epic related to contributor experience. So both these issues would fall under contributor experience as well. And then you can kind of see some of our dependency work here at the bottom, which I'll get into. So that's kind of a nice breakdown visual to see what we're going to be working on. So moving into our efficiency work, this is the epic that Peter created for specifically items from the efficiency epic that we're going to be working on or plan to work on in Q1. Basically the same ones that DJ had proposed in that comment that we discussed. And then this is the contributor experience improvement one. So these are, again, the same issues that were proposed there that we hope to accomplish in Q1. So moving on to specific contributor experience items, I did want to call out that we're working on this milestone. One here is ensure changes to other components doesn't break package builds. So this is very important. So if someone comes in and wants to make a change to something that we're doing here in distribution, it could break what we're doing in our package builds. And obviously that's not a great experience and leads to questions coming to our team when someone wants to contribute to our packages. So we want to improve that experience. So this is a great issue to be working towards. Another one we have here is have a single source of truth, SSOT, page in the handbook describing how new versions are released for all install types. So right now, I think a lot of this knowledge is hosted in the distribution team, and it would be great for everyone to have this knowledge so that someone wants to contribute to any of these projects. This one might be a little more internal or external facing. So if someone externally is interested in this work, we want to make sure that what is in our engineers' minds is for all to see, so anyone can contribute. Moving forward here, so those are 2 great issues that I want to specifically call out for contributor experience. And I just want to call out some of the dependency work that we're working on. So we are still testing against 4.8 and 4.11. So we finished, or we wrapped up a lot of the work for 4.8, and now moving into 15.10, we're going to be working on 4.11 for OpenShift work. And then moving forward in 15.9, we finished up supporting Kubernetes 1.22, and now we're going to be starting on supporting Kubernetes 1.25. We will not finish everything here in 15.10. You can see only one of the issues right now is marked as 15.10, but we're going to continue working towards it and making progress, and then probably wrap it up in 15.11, or at least in anticipation for 16.0. So that's about everything that we're going to be working on. Again, keeping the themes of build efficiency, contributor experience, and just keeping our software dependencies up to date and with the most recent versions that are available. So thank you so much for listening, and have a great rest of your day.